and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at my gear wall and we're going to get ready for my little Florida trip coming up. I'm going to show you all the cameras I'm bringing with, all the gear. We're going to get them all ready to go, and I'm going to share why I'm bringing each camera in particular because I have a lot of different kinds of cameras. I absolutely love trying new ones out. I love all their different capabilities that they each have. So I'm going to be bringing quite a few different cameras. I'm going to show you them all and share why I'm bringing each one in particular. Now I am renting a van for the weekend and doing a little Florida road trip. So we're going to be at the beach. We're going to be doing a snorkel and dolphin cruise. We're going to be doing some camping. So that's what I'm mainly looking for in my cameras here are things that can put up with that, being underwater, getting cool underwater shots, driving in the van, all of that. So I am going to create a vlog for the weekend on YouTube here, as well as short form on my iPhone. Now I'm not going to count my iPhone in this video, but of course that is coming with, but that's what I film all of my vertical videos on. But we're talking all horizontal here for my YouTube vlog, for getting fun action shots to add to that, and to my short form vlogs as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is my gear wall. I do have little lights on this as well, but they're a little wild in the way that they flash. They're not very smooth, so I'm not going to have that on for the video, but I did just want to show you that. But I have all of my gear here, and actually I could even go ahead and lower you a little bit. There's even more right down here on the table, and in all of these are even more gear. I know you can't see that, but these cabinets here, they are also filled with gear. This is my scrapbooking stuff on this side, but that's mostly camera gear over there. So as you can tell, I love cameras, I love camera gear, and let's go ahead and get into it. The first camera that I'm gonna bring with is one of my oldest and favorite cameras and camera brands, and that is my GoPro. Now this one that I have on here right now, this is the GoPro Hero 7. I've had this since like high school, I wanna say. So I'm gonna switch it off because I'm gonna bring my newer GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero 12 right here. This is gonna be great for all of my underwater shots. So I'm really excited to bring this on the dolphin and snorkel cruise. I've got this little handle here, and this actually floats in the water. It's got this bright little orange bit at the end so you can see it if you drop it. It's got a wrist handle, so I can go ahead, put it on, tighten it, and then hang on to it, so then if I do ever drop it, my camera is still attached to me and not sinking to the bottom of the ocean. And this does float as well, so it's got a lot of precautions on there, so this is really, really great for the water. I've used this for paddleboarding quite a bit too, and it's really great because it also has this little hidden waterproof compartment at the end here where you can put things like your keys or valuables if you don't want to get them lost. So I think this is a really great little tool, and everything that I'm mentioning today will be linked on my Amazon storefront. I always have all my gear on there on a nice, easy little playlist, so you can go ahead and check it all out. So this is definitely coming with, as well as my GoPro, and I really like this newer GoPro because this one has a camera on the back and the front, where the old one only has like a little tiny screen where you can't actually see what you're filming. This one tells you all the settings. You can see everything you need to set it up. So I really, really am liking the GoPro Hero 12. With that as well, I have my waterproof case. Now I'm pretty certain that I can just bring this in the water alone and have it be waterproof, but I am going to keep it right in this case here. This as well, it's all from Amazon. Put it right in, and it's all clear. You can see everything, and then it's actually got little spots for all the buttons, so you can still reach everything that you need to in this and not have to take it out of the case. So I think that is really nice. It's going to keep it really protected. And then I'm going to remove this adapter on there and put it on here and use that as one of my main forms of filming while I'm on this trip. Now I haven't fully decided if I'm going to use this as my main vlogging camera or my Insta360 Go 3S. I've used this for a few vlogs in the past, and I've got videos all about this camera, sharing my experience, my pros, cons, everything like that. But this is a great little camera. It's also got a flip out screen. You can take out the little tiny action pod in here and use just this as the camera. So it's really versatile, and it's got tons of accessories and clips and little ways that you can mount it in places. So I might just go ahead and bring my full case here. I don't use a ton of these accessories all that often, but I do have like the necklace mount. I've got a hat clip. So maybe I'll just bring this full little case and put all of my accessories in there, but I can't decide if it's worth it to bring both of these. I know for sure I'm going to bring my GoPro because it's just so great underwater, but you can actually put this action pod underwater, I believe. I'm like 95% sure that this can go underwater if you wanted to, but this cannot. So I might use this for just vlogging and creating my YouTube videos on, and then use this for the specific, well, not this one, but this one for the specific action shots that I want to get and just combine the two. Maybe I will just bring the GoPro and vlog on there. I'm going to do a little test beforehand to see which one I really want to bring, but definitely this one, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to bring this one to film most of my vlogs and talking head clips where I would just hold the camera out like this. And the next camera that is coming with is the Insta360 X3. This is my 360 camera where you get those really cool wide angle shots, those really far out that creates its own little mini earth. This is going to be fantastic for on the boat during the cruise. It'll be really fun to get some awesome ocean shots with this. Then while we're driving down the beautiful ocean roads as well in the van, I think sticking this out the window, getting shots of the van driving with the ocean in the background, I think it's going to be so beautiful and so cinematic. I am really excited to bring this camera, and this one's just so unique compared to the other two. Like, yeah, the GoPro and the Insta360, they're kind of similar in being little action cameras, but this one is a full 360 camera. The amount of shots and angles I can get with this is literally limitless, so this one's definitely coming with me. I also love that it's on this huge selfie stick, so I can stick it way up above me, get these really far out shots. I just think this camera is so unique and I really love it. Now, I first bought this X3 used to see if this was even a camera that I really liked, and I definitely like it. I could see myself investing in one of the newer ones like the X5 in the next couple years, but for now this one will do. But I really like this camera and I'm so excited to get some awesome shots with this. Now next is a different kind of camera. This is my Camp Snap camera. Now I'm not bringing this one because this one's my older one, but they actually just sent me their brand new one to try out. So this is the Camp Snap, and I'm pretty sure this is the Pro, the new and improved version, and it's in this really pretty chestnut brown color. There is not a screen on this at all, so it's like one of those disposable cameras we all used to buy. You can't see your photos till later until you've connected it to your phone through Bluetooth. So this is really cool, really different. It does kind of give it an old-timey look to the photos, so it's great if I want to be off my phone but still taking photos, or get some that kind of have that unique kind of film look to it. So again, no screen, you can just see the photos that you're taking. It does have a flash and everything as well, so I think it is just aesthetic. I think it is cool. It is something different. Obviously, I can't record any video footage on here, but this will be really fun for taking some cool photos along the ocean and of the van. And I'm probably just going to keep everything in this nice little camera case. This one came with my Sony ZV-1F, which I'm not going to bring with, and I'm not going to be filming with on this weekend. Even though I do really like this camera, I think I am just going to stick to the action cameras as my main form, because this is already a lot of cameras and I don't need to bring another one. So this one will be staying home this weekend, even though I do really like it. But I think I am going to bring this little case for it. I also have a couple little lights, and I think I am going to bring one of these as well, just because I never know how the lighting is going to be. So I haven't decided which one yet, but I will be bringing one of these little clip-on lights as well. Probably this one, because I can also just clip it to my iPhone, which is really convenient. I can just switch it between all of my little cameras. So I think I'm probably just going to throw everything. I don't know if it's all going to fit in here, but I think I'm going to try and throw most of my cameras in here and have it really as a nice, easy base to go to if I want to grab a camera. I know it's in here and it's kept safe, so probably like my GoPro and my Insta360 are what I'm going to keep in here, and then I can just keep all of my accessories in one little place as well. And I believe that is all the different cameras that I'm going to be bringing with, and all of my different accessories. Now if you have any questions about any of these cameras, please let me know in the comment section below and I'd be happy to get back to you. And definitely make sure to stay tuned for the vlog, for all the short form videos using all of these different cameras. Like I said, I'm so excited. This is going to be a really fun trip, and I can't wait to get some super unique and fun shots with all of these different cameras. So if you're not already, make sure to go follow me on TikTok and Instagram, because I post every day there, and I will have lots of videos about this trip, and I just share a lot of videos about cameras and camera gear in general. And if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video, because it means so much to me, and thank you so much for watching.